Presented in this fine art photography print is a stunning winter scene from Saguaro National Park in Tucson, Arizona. Majestic saguaros, dusted with fresh snow, stand proudly against the backdrop of frosted canyon slopes and soft, rolling clouds. The rare desert snowfall transforms this rugged landscape into a breathtaking tapestry of white and green, where strength meets serenity beneath a pale winter sky. When I captured this image, the chill of the morning air still lingered, and the snow glistened on every cactus arm. I paused for a long moment, struck by how these desert giants, symbols of endurance under scorching sun, now appeared almost tender, their crowns wrapped in snow. The quiet beauty of this fleeting transformation reminded me that even the harshest landscapes can reveal gentle grace when the light changes. This print brings the wonder of Arizona's rare winter to your space. Available on aluminum, metal, canvas, or fine art paper, it adds tranquility, resilience, and contrast to any setting. The scene invites reflection on nature's balance, the meeting of warmth and frost, endurance and calm, captured in one timeless moment.